Your price is too high. I don't like your warranty. You guys can't get me the software seats that I need at the price that I can afford. Objections. Whether we work in real estate, software, business development, whatever it is, objections seem to be the bane of our existence. But here's a mistake that far too many of us make. We focus on trying to overcome objections. Your price is too high. No, it's not. Let me show you. Well, here's what you need to understand, okay? Stop trying to overcome objections, because 90%, 9 out of 10 of the things that you're hearing from your prospects, your customers, your clients, they're not objections at all. They're complaints. And just because somebody has a complaint doesn't mean they're not going to do business with you. Stop creating these little micro arguments every time you try and overcome an objection and prove to somebody that they're wrong and you're right. Just simply agree with them. Your price is high. I get it. I'm with you. Does it make sense to move forward with the contract? Yeah, it does. I was just hoping I could get a discount. Unfortunately, we don't discount. All right, let's go ahead and do it. You're going to find your life gets a lot easier when you stop trying to overcome everything you think is an objection. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.